everyone, my name is Jenelle. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I got these beautiful Senegalese twists. This is actually one of my favorite styles to rock. I just think twists are so gorgeous. I've done this style numerous times. However, this will be my first time doing the rubber band method. So let me know what you think in the comments. The hair that I used is the Spetra brand. I got it at my beauty supply store in my neighborhood. It holds about 10 bundles. Yes, it holds 10 bundles. I used 5.5 bundles. The color is 1B and it's 25 inches. So what I did last night, I pre-parted my hair, and this morning I did the installation. I actually have plans to go out later, so I wanted something that was quick and easy to install and something that didn't take most of my time. So let's get into the video. Stay tuned to the end, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want more videos like this. I started out by putting my favorite hair oil on the rubber bands to prevent breakage to my hair when installing. Next, I'm going to part the first row of my hair. It doesn't have to be perfect, just make it as straight as you can. It can be challenging to part the back of your head. Just feel as you go along, use a handheld mirror. Girl, you know that's not straight. Please try again. It's not perfect, but I'm satisfied with how the part is. Next, I'm going to section the hair into 3 parts. Then I'll be using the Shine and Jam to make the part cleaner. Install your first rubber band, then you're going to do the same method for the next part. And I'm just using the comb here to smooth out or detangle any knots. This is how it's looking with all the rubber bands installed. I installed the rubber bands loosely because I wanted to make sure that the braiding hair had room to go through. I know you can see that I started out big and then ended small in the front. I'm just going to help myself. I think that doing the front smaller really fits the frame of my face. That's how I like it. You're free to do it how you please. To install the braiding hair, I'm going to place the needle between the rubber band and my natural hair. Then I'm going to twist the braiding hair so it could fit easily over the loop of the needle. Close the latch and just pull that through the hair. Now I'll be removing the crochet needle, then pulling one side of the braiding hair through and adjust both sides to make them even and the same length as the other twists. The braiding hair is now added. Now I'm just going to tighten the rubber band to my scalp by pulling my natural hair away from each other. Please don't pull your hair too tightly. No style is worth any breakage to your natural hair. Now I'm going to add the jam to the ends of my natural hair so it blends seamlessly with the braiding hair. I'm now using the comb to ensure that the jam is evenly distributed throughout my hair. Next, split the natural hair evenly in 2 and combine each strand with the braiding hair. To start the rope twist method, I'm twisting each strand separately and in the same direction. Here I'm twisting each side to the left. After twisting both strands separately to the left, I will then overlap them to the right. Remember to twist on whichever side is comfortable for you. I naturally twist to my right. That's why I started each strand going to the left to overlap to the right. With that, you're going to continue twisting each strand separately and overlapping all the way down to the length of the braiding hair. This is how the twists are looking so far. I did the partings bigger than usual, but it still looks full because I did the bricklayer method. Now let's try this again. You're placing the crochet needle between your natural hair and the rubber band. Then you're gonna twist the braiding hair, place that on the loop of the crochet needle, close the latch, and pass that through the hair. Now you're gonna pull one side of the braiding hair through, then adjust to make sure both sides are even. Now split your natural hair in two and pull them away from each other to tighten the rubber band. Remember, not too tightly. You don't want to lose any hair or cause any breakage. Combine each strand of the natural hair with the braiding hair and twist to the left. I'm applying jam to both my braiding hair and my natural hair so they blend seamlessly. After twisting each strand to the left, I'm now going to overlap them to the right and twist down to the length of the braiding hair. Just continue that twisting motion until you're at the end.